Okay guys, I haven't made a video like this in a while, but as you can tell from the title, I have a new diecast. Gonna be totally honest with you, I didn't actually really plan on buying this car. I found it on eBay, and it was an actual like auction. It wasn't just a buy it now type thing. So it was, you know, obviously available for less than market value, which is just like to buy it now. So I kind of just threw in a bid for the hell of it, and didn't really watch it on the last day, and I fully expected someone to outbid me, and they never did. So I ended up winning the auction, which means obviously I had to pay for it. So yeah, I wasn't really planning on getting this, but here we are. So yeah, I don't know, you can tell what the car is from the title of the video, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of weird. Like I said, I wasn't really planning on actually winning this. So okay, well, let's get it open, I guess, so we can see what this looks like. So it arrived today. Like I said, I got it off of eBay, and from what I've seen, the average market value price for them, meaning just like a buy it now type thing, at least on eBay, was around $250 to like $270. And my final bid was $180 plus $20 shipping, so I guess I didn't really save that much money, but I did save some. So yeah, I mean, technically I got it for less than market value, but not by a whole lot. Alright, here we go. Gonna try to keep this as not messy as possible, but we'll see how not messy that actually is. Nobody likes a mess. Yeah, let's pick up all this junk. Okay. So, here we are. Interesting, they wrapped the, they put it in like a United States Postal Service mail thing. Ooh, that's a nice color. Alright, I can already kind of see the car, so here we go. Let's get rid of that. And here we are. Let's look at it in the thing first. This is a really nice packaging, actually. I've never heard of Ivy models before. I know Auto Art did that, like they did the LFA originally and then they stopped, and then I heard that they rebooted it. Wow, that color is nice. Man, that looks good. That's really nice. But yeah, I've never heard of this Ivy Models company, but I gotta say, it looks pretty good. I mean, I have an Auto Art Nurburgring that I'm gonna put the car next to, so man, that's pretty nice. But yeah, so according to this is a limited edition model in this color. There's a little plaque there, you probably can't read it, but it says 44 of 60, so I guess they only made 60 in this color, which wouldn't surprise me. But yeah, that's actually a really nice box. I actually like that a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep that safe, because that's that's a super nice packaging. Alright, well, I suppose it's probably time to get it open, so let's get to it. We'll put it up here on the couch, move all this out of the way, see if we can get this to focus. There we go, on the right thing. Man, yeah, that color's really, really nice. I like it a lot. Alright, let's get this open. Plastic is really nice condition. This is all super nice. This leather base. I'm impressed. Like I said, I've never really heard of Ivy models before, but this is definitely one of the nicer, like, packages I've ever gotten a car in. It's really good quality. It's almost too good quality. I can't even get this open. I don't want to rip it. There we go. And that flattens down, I guess, and then this just comes out. Yeah, this thing is really, really nice quality. It's like triple packed and wow. Well, they get an A+ for packaging. This is really, really nice. So maybe now you can see the plaque a little bit better if I can get the camera to focus, which might not happen, but yeah, forget it. This camera is not very good with this lens. But anyways, it's 44 out of 60, so yeah, whatever, it's not gonna do it. Alright, well, let's get the car out. Tip it over and get these screws undone. Well, there's number one. Man, those are deep screws. Jeez. Alright, there's two. I'm gonna have to start holding the car now, which I hate doing because it gets fingerprints and crap all over it, but kinda have to. There's screw number 3. And here's screw number 4. Okay. Put those aside, make sure we don't lose them. Grab the car. base over here. Need to keep all this stuff together. And now we can take a look at the model. So here it is. The Sky Blue LFA. So this is a static model. The wheels do not roll, doors don't open. It's resin, which I know some people don't like, but I'm totally fine with it. I think the resin models have a lot more like quality in their detail, like their build detail is better, but obviously it's not as cool because it's not as interactive. But yeah, I think this is a really nice model. The crazy thing is this is actually a real color on the LFA. Like this car is based off of a real one that's in China. So yeah, if I like the model this much, can't even imagine what I would think of the real car. So here's the back. I will say the exhaust is a little weird with how much it sticks out. You probably can't tell on camera, but let's see, maybe if I turn it. Yeah, you see how much it sticks out in the back like that. Not a big fan of that, but I don't know. Other than that, it's pretty good. It's really heavy, so again, it's resin, so it should be heavy. But yeah, it's a pretty heavy model. I don't know. I think it looks really cool. It'd probably be a little nicer if the wheels rolled, but you know, whatever. The paint is really good. The headlight details are accurate. I mean, I've been around a lot of LFAs, so yeah. I don't know. I like it a lot. The color is fantastic. So, and the packaging was just phenomenal. The packaging was amazing. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's worth the price. I mean, now I have a Nurburgring and a base, so let's go put this in the cabinet and see how it looks next to the Nurburgring. I'm gonna have to move around. I'm gonna have to take these out, move the CGT, move the R8. I'll leave the CGT in here with the LFAs because, you know, that's a rivalry. But yeah, let's see how it looks next to the Nurburgring. Well, there you go. Pretty cool. This one, the Nurburgring's made by Auto Art, so I've had that car for years. But yeah, there it is. There's my new car. Baby Blue Lexus LFA. I don't know. Thanks for watching.